hello. This is the part 2 of the, yep, my Nintendo Switch. Yeah, you already heard it in the part 1. I credited. Yep, there's the amazing star. Here we got the Steam Deck, and that is mine. There's mine. And I'm gonna open it. Ito, may classic Nintendo Switch, and my brother.
Tandakan lang.
Kaya, I can look. Hala! Ano ba yan? New Year na, hindi Christmas.
Hindi, fiesta na.
Fiesta. As you can see, I picked my games over there. Sonic and Mario Obsessive.
Dalawa lang, sir.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Dalawang lalaki ka agad.
Tama na.
And there's the inside. Oh.
Kakarito ka pa lang na eh. May sakit nga, may isip po. 2 months pa lang yun.
Hala.
Oo, bro.
Mara doon. Yan. Here we are.
Yung switch ko mo. Say thank you.
Thank you. Ay, where? No. Thank you. Ay. Ah. Meron. Ay, baliktad pala. Ay, baliktad din to. Yeah, if you guys see that earlier, I was trying to turn the camera. Oh, it's been 2 minutes. Yeah, it is my favorite game in the PS4. Mafia. PS4. Hindi. Ito, Mafia 3. Saan galing lahat to?
Sure ka ba?
Naligat dahil.
The evil reflection.
Bilis na kamay ah.
And I also bought a, yeah,
Di sa rin na ano.
bag. Yeah.
Everyday yan. Sinano na.
There's also a part 3, so I'm just gonna turn this camera off now. Just cell phone, yeah, it's a cell phone. I'm just gonna turn this cell phone off, and after that I'll meet you in the house.